So after a very long summer of staying home almost the entire time, we are finally getting out for a little vacation here at the end of the summer. We usually have a beach trip in September. If you guys have followed me for a while, you know that. But sadly, that got canceled this year because of 2020. Instead of that, we are going to go on a road trip to Montana to visit some friends and to see Yellowstone Park and, you know, all the fun stuff along the way. It is going to be a trip for just me and my husband and our 3 oldest. Our 2 youngest, Renee and Levi, are going to split time between some grandparents here in town. And so they're excited, even though they don't get to go, they're excited to have, you know, undivided grandma and grandpa attention. So that's going to be fun for them. And it'll be nice for us to kind of have a big kid vacation, you know, don't have to worry about the non-potty trained toddler and, you know, all that. So it'll be really fun. We haven't had a vacation like that in a really long time. We're leaving in less than a week. And so I am in the midst of, you know, making all the lists and trying to think of everything that I don't want to forget and just do everything I can to prepare so that once we leave, I don't have to worry about stuff. So I am shopping for food for the trip. We plan on, you know, getting meals on the road wherever we can, but I do want to have some snacks for the car. And then also I try to eat low carb. And so I wanted to have plenty of options for myself for if, you know, we're out in the middle of nowhere and not really good food options. So I'm going to be packing some like low carb snacks and some low carb just foods for myself for just in case. And then also my husband and I talked about how a lot of times on vacations, especially like the beach trip vacation where we're just sitting around and playing on the beach for the entire week, we see it as a, you know, fun food time where we just eat a lot of, I don't want to say junk food, but, you know, just less healthy food that we don't eat normally, just because it's vacation and it's fun to let loose a little bit and have some special treats. But because this is going to be more of an active vacation, we want to do some hiking and we just want to have our energy and our wits about us and everything, we decided to work hard to just make it a really healthy food vacation. We're not having a food vacation, we're having an activity vacation and try to focus on the activity and not as much on the food. And so we're hoping that, you know, if we do that and we focus on eating healthier, we're just going to feel better and going to have more fun with the activities that we do. And then we'll come home feeling good rather than, you know how it is on vacation when you let loose and eat all kinds of things that you don't normally eat. You just come home and feel exhausted and like you need another vacation or you need to do a detox or something. And I am at Grocery Outlet right now and I'm going to run in and see what I can find. I made a list of ideas, but at Grocery Outlet especially, you don't always know what you're going to get. So I'm going to see what I get. I'll let you know. I have some stuff I also want to get at Costco, which I may get today. I may not. I'm not sure. I'm going to just see what I can get here and then move on from there. I haven't seen these before. They're sweetened with stevia and erythritol. I might grab these for some quick treats. All right, so here is what I got. A few things that are not for the trip. These were on sale for $2.97 for 22 of these K-Cups. So I decided to grab a box of those just because they were cheap. And then I needed dish soap, so I got 2 of those. So the total of the non-vacation stuff was, I think, $9. Then my husband wanted some kombucha to take, and we didn't want a bunch of glass bottles. So I grabbed these, which are not as great as the ones in glass because they don't have the probiotics because they have to be heat processed. But anyways, just for the trip, got them for him. This one is, let's see, green tea and lemon. So there's 3 different flavors: green tea, lemon, then just a traditional organic, and then also this one looked interesting, Asian pear and ginger. And my husband loves Asian pear, so thought he might like that. And I got a bunch. I figured he could try them before we go, so there's enough that we're not going to take all of those. Got some sliced cheese, some organic sharp cheddar, some Colby Jack. Then these chocolates, they are erythritol and stevia sweetened, and I've been staying away from, you know, sweetened things, anything with a sweet taste. but I decided just to have these little, looks like they're individually wrapped, and so it might be nice if I'm feeling tempted to eat something that I shouldn't, just have one or two of these, and that'll be a nice little treat and not do too much damage. These are just dark chocolate, and then these ones have hazelnut. And then I found the moon cheese that I like. I like these better than like the cheese wisps and stuff. But my favorite is the Gouda of the brand, but they didn't have any of those this time. They just had cheddar, so I grabbed 3 bags of those. The total that I spent was $39.12, and so 9 of that was the non-vacation stuff. So I spent about $30 for vacation food so far. All right, now I'm at Costco. I'm going to run in. I have a few more things that I think I can get here. Number one is our favorite almond flour crackers. My husband requested those specifically for the car trip. Gosh, they have so many great options for little snacky things. Salami and cheese, more salami and provolone cheese. These ones have some bread, and then they have these too. They got all kinds of cool stuff. I think I'm gonna go for these. I should have waited and gotten moon cheese here. They have it here for a little bit cheaper. I'm just gonna grab another bag while I'm here, but they don't have the Gouda. A little bit of jerky. Here's everything from Costco. Of course, we got a box of our almond flour crackers. I was gonna get some, or just cook up a bunch of burger patties and take them, but these seem so convenient because they're in packs of 2 in here, shrink wrapped. So I figured I'd just make it easy on myself and grab those. They were on sale, so $10 for this pack. Just figured I'd keep it easy. Then these are fun. The kids will like these, and my husband and myself. They weren't too terribly expensive. It wasn't too bad. So those will be good. Got some sandwich thins, some easy bread to take that's not going to get smashed as easily as like a loaf of bread. Then I got some fully cooked bacon. I thought this would be super easy to throw in. We can heat it up in a microwave if we have one at a hotel, or it's already cooked, so you can just eat it cold. I don't mind. My husband wanted some beef jerky, so we got some of the zero sugar. It's hard to find beef jerky with good ingredients, but this one is pretty good. Another thing of moon cheese because it was there and it was cheaper, so I just went ahead and got it. We're not going to take all of these on the trip. This is a ton, but Renee and Levi like these too, and these were on sale this month for like $3.60 off each pack, so I went ahead and grabbed one of each. The kids love these, and they're super fun. So we'll leave some for the little kids, and we'll take a few with us too. So the total at Costco was $86.21. Last place I just ran into was Target to pick up what probably is the most important thing, which is coffee for the trip. Just in case I am not able to stop and get coffee anywhere, I got some instant Starbucks. I also grabbed a bottle of cold brew, just to keep, just in case, you know, coffee is important. I also went ahead and grabbed some new face masks for all of us, except my husband. He has ones that he likes, but I decided to try what they had there. They were pretty cheap, $4 for 2 or $2 for 1. So I grabbed this one. There's a few different kinds. This was for me and or for Autumn if she needed a new one. This was a little bit different of a shape, so I grabbed that, and then I got a couple 2-packs of kids masks so that we would be covered.